Okay, this is video 2 of my new gas forge I'm building. As you can see, got it put all together, sanded it down a little bit, and I've put the high temperature paint on it. Most of the welding is done. Well, actually all the welding is done now. You can see the 2 stacks where I'm going to put the burners. I mounted me a little plate on the side, and that's where I'm going to put the valve banks and all. I welded me an access on the back of it. As you see, I used all the stuff that I just have laying around to build it out of. An old latch on the front door, old hinge I had. That actually was a latch off something. So now I'll start putting in the kale wool and manufacture my burners. So step 2 is complete.